Hello, friends, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I am so happy you are here today. If you are new here, welcome. This is your safe place for English listening practice. This channel is an English podcast for beginners who want to speak calmly and confidently. Today, we have a very important topic. It is a topic that we use every single week, maybe every single day. Today, we are going to learn how to invite a friend out. We are going to learn making plans in English. Have you ever wanted to ask a friend for coffee, but you felt too nervous? Have you ever wanted to invite a coworker to lunch, but you did not know the right words? Making plans can be scary in a new language. You might worry, what if I say the wrong thing? Or what if they say no? Do not worry. Today we will fix that. In this video, I will teach you the simple, easy phrases that Americans use for daily English conversation. We will learn real American English expressions for inviting someone out, picking a time, and deciding on a place. We will speak easy English, and we will speak slow English so you can understand every word. By the end of this lesson, you will feel ready to call a friend and say, "Let's go out." Remember, I am a native English speaker, but I will speak slowly and clearly for you. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. First, let us talk about the most simple way to invite someone. How do we start the conversation? When we want to see a friend, we usually start with a question. We want to know if they have time. We do not just say, "Meet me now." That is too strong. That is not polite. Instead, we ask about their schedule. The most common phrase is, "Are you free?" Are you free simply means, do you have time? You can add a day or a time to this question. For example, are you free this weekend? Or are you free on Friday? Let's think about this situation. Imagine it is Wednesday. You want to see your friend on Saturday. You can send a text message or you can call them. You say, "Hi, are you free this Saturday?" This is a perfect way to start. It gives your friend a chance to check their calendar. Another very common phrase is, "What are you doing?" This sounds like you are asking about their actions right now, but if you add a time word, it becomes an invitation question. What are you doing later? What are you doing this weekend? If your friend says, "Nothing much," or "I'm not doing anything," then you know they're free. You can invite them.
आज एक ऑनेस्ट बात बोलूं? कितनी बार तुमने सोचा है कल से सुबह जल्दी उठूंगा, अलार्म 5 पे लगाया, पर जब बजता है तो दिमाग बोलता है बस 5 मिनट और वो 5 मिनट 2 घंटे बन जाते हैं। फिर दिन भर गिल्ट, यार मैं इतना लेजी क्यों? पर सच ये है, लेजी तुम नहीं हो, तुम्हें बस सही तरीका नहीं पता। आज मैं तुम्हें 6 स्टेप्स बताऊंगा जिससे तुम चाहे लेट सोए हो फिर भी 4:30 पर उठ सकते हो बिना स्ट्रगल के। लेट्स स्टार्ट। स्टेप 1, अलार्म के साथ स्मार्ट गेम खेलो। फोन बेड के पास मत रखो, अलार्म बजे तो उठकर चलना पड़े। ये मूवमेंट ही नींद तोड़ देता है। और अलार्म का नाम रखो कुछ ऐसा जो तुम्हें याद दिलाए क्यों उठ रहे हो, जैसे एक मोटिवेशनल सॉन्ग या कोई मोटिवेशनल लाइन। ये लाइंस सुबह सबसे पहले सुनने पर ब्रेन को झटका देती हैं, एनर्जी आती है। अगर फोन दूर रखना मुश्किल लगता है, एक छोटी अलार्म क्लॉक ले लो, डिजिटल डिटॉक्स भी हो जाता है। स्टेप 2, सुबह जीतना है, रात को जीतना सीखो। सुबह का कंट्रोल रात से स्टार्ट होता है। अगर नाइट रूटीन मैसी है तो सुबह डिसिप्लिन्ड रहना इम्पॉसिबल है। सोने से 30 मिनट पहले फोन हटा दो, लाइट्स डिम करो और कल का प्लान लिख लो। एक नोटबुक में लिखो, मुझे सुबह क्या करना है। ये छोटी हैबिट तुम्हारे ब्रेन को काम करती है और सुबह डायरेक्शन देती है। और हाँ, अगर रात को लेट सोए हो फिर भी उठ जाओ, बॉडी 2-3 दिन में एडजस्ट कर लेती है। वही डिस्कम्फर्ट तुम्हारा लेवल बदलता है। स्टेप 3, सुबह के पहले 10 मिनट गेम चेंजर। अलार्म बजते ही फोन चेक मत करो, सीधा एक ग्लास ठंडा या गर्म पानी पियो। लाइट ऑन करो और मूव करो। 10 जंपिंग जैक्स या रूम के 2 चक्कर। साइंस सिंपल है, सुबह के पहले 10 मिनट डिसाइड करते हैं तुम्हारा दिन प्रोडक्टिव होगा या डल। पानी प्लस लाइट प्लस मूवमेंट इक्वल टू इंस्टेंट एनर्जी बूस्ट। स्टेप 4, स्ट्रॉन्ग रीजन रखो उठने का। कोई भी आदमी बिना रीजन के नहीं उठता। अलार्म बजता है पर दिमाग बोलता है क्यों उठूं? एक रीजन होना चाहिए जो तुम्हें खींच के बेड से बाहर ले आए, जैसे वर्कआउट, रीडिंग या अपने ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना। रात को लिख लो, कल सुबह मैं ये करूंगा। ब्रेन सबकॉन्शियसली रेडी हो जाता है और सुबह उठते ही तुम्हारा माइंड प्रिपेयर्ड होता है। स्टेप 5, एक दिन मिस हुआ तो गिल्ट नहीं, बाउंस बैक। हर कोई एक दिन फेल होता है, मैं भी, तुम भी, सब। रूल सिंपल है, नेवर मिस ट्वाइस। एक दिन मिस हुआ फाइन, 2 दिन मिस किया तो पूरी हैबिट बिगड़ गई। चाहे कल फेल हुए हो, आज उठ जाओ, 10 मिनट के लिए ही सही। वापस उठना ही रियल विन होता है। 20-25 दिन तक ये साइकिल फॉलो कर लो, फिर डिसिप्लिन ऑटोमेटिकली बन जाता है। स्टेप 6, रिवॉर्ड अपने एफर्ट को दो। सुबह उठकर खुद को रिवॉर्ड दो, कॉफी, म्यूजिक, सनराइज, कुछ भी। ब्रेन को लगना चाहिए कि अर्ली उठना पनिशमेंट नहीं, एक रिवॉर्ड है। मुझे याद है पहले मुझे लगता था सुबह उठना टॉर्चर है, पर जब मैंने अपनी सुबह एक पीसफुल कॉफी और बुक के साथ स्टार्ट की तो उठना एक ब्लेसिंग लगने लगा। वही शिफ्ट ने मेरी लाइफ बदली। बोनस स्टेप, स्लीप बेटर नॉट लेस। 4:30 उठने के लिए नींद सैक्रिफाइस नहीं करनी, इंप्रूव करनी है। सोने का एनवायरनमेंट बेटर बनाओ, लाइट कम, फोन ऑफ, कूल रूम और फिक्स्ड बेड टाइम। और रात को ये मत सोचना मुझे उठना है, सोचना मैं उठ चुका हूं। ब्रेन उस कमांड पे ज्यादा रिएक्ट करता है। एक टाइम आएगा जब सब सो रहे होंगे और तुम अपनी ड्रीम्स पे काम कर रहे होगे, और उस मोमेंट पे समझ आएगा कि सुबह उठना सिर्फ एक हैबिट नहीं, एक सुपर पावर है। क्विक रिकैप। 1, फोन दूर रखो, अलार्म स्मार्टली यूज करो। 2, रात को प्लान करके सो। 3, पानी प्लस लाइट प्लस मूवमेंट इक्वल टू इंस्टेंट एनर्जी बूस्ट। 4, स्ट्रॉन्ग रीजन रखो उठने का। 5, गिल्ट नहीं, बाउंस बैक। 6, सुबह रिवॉर्ड दो और सही सो। तो कमेंट करो टुमारो 4:30 AM क्लब। और वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करो उस फ्रेंड के साथ जो हर सुबह कहता है बस 5 मिनट।
Now, let's look at the invitation itself. How do we ask them to do something specific? In formal English textbooks, you might see the phrase, "Would you like to go to the cinema?" That is correct grammar. But in real American English, we are often more casual. We are more relaxed. We often use the phrase, "Do you want to?" Do you want to get coffee? Do you want to see a movie? Do you want to come over? Come over means to come to my house. Another very popular phrase is grab, G-R-A-B. Literally, grab means to take something quickly with your hand. But in daily English conversation, grab means to get food or drink casually. Let's grab lunch. Do you want to grab a coffee? Let's grab a bite to eat. This sounds very natural. It sounds like a native English speaker. It implies that the meeting will be relaxed. It will not be formal. So, you have asked, "Are you free?" Then you asked, "Do you want to grab lunch?" Now you must decide on the time and the place. How do we suggest a time? We often use the phrase, "How about?" How about 12 p.m.? How about Saturday morning? How about next week? How about is a soft way to suggest an idea. It is not a demand. It is a suggestion. Your friend might say yes, or they might say no. If they say yes, great, you have a plan. But what if they say no? What if they are busy? They might say, "Sorry, I can't make it." "I can't make it" is a very common phrase. It means, "I cannot come." It is polite. It is soft. If your friend says,
I can't make it. Do not be sad. You can suggest a different time. You can say, maybe another time, or how about next week instead? This is how plans are made. It is a conversation, a back and forth. One person suggests a time, the other person agrees or suggests a new time. It sounds simple, right? It is simple, but you need to practice. The key to learning easy English is repetition. You need to hear these phrases many times and say them many times.
Now, let us put all of these words into a story. Stories help us remember vocabulary because we see the words in real-life situations. Relax. Close your eyes if you can. Just listen to the story. This is a story about two friends, Mike and Sarah. Mike has had a very long week at work. He is tired. He has worked hard Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Finally, it is Friday afternoon. The work week is over. Mike feels happy. He wants to relax. He does not want to stay home alone. He wants to see a friend. He thinks about his friend Sarah. He has not seen Sarah in a long time. Mike picks up his phone. He feels a little nervous. He wonders, is Sarah busy? Does she have plans? But Mike decides to be brave. He opens his text messages and types a message to Sarah. He types, "Hey, Sarah, long time no see. How are you?" He waits. A few minutes later, his phone buzzes. It is Sarah. Sarah replies, "Hi, Mike. I am good. How are you?" Mike is happy she replied. Now, he wants to make a plan. He wants to use the phrases we learned today. He types, "I am doing well. Are you free this weekend?" This is the first step. He is checking if she has time. Sarah replies, "Yes, I am free on Saturday morning, but I am busy on Sunday. Why?" Mike sees that Saturday morning is open. He has an idea. He likes coffee. He knows Sarah likes coffee too. There is a new cafe in the city center. It has good coffee and nice pastries. He types, "Do you want to grab coffee on Saturday morning? There is a new cafe downtown." Sarah sees the message and she smiles. She loves coffee. She replies immediately, "That sounds great. I would love to grab coffee." Now they need to pick a specific time. Morning is a big time. Is it 8 a.m.? Is it 11 a.m.? Mike suggests a time. He types, "How about 10 a.m.?" Sarah looks at her schedule. She likes to sleep late on Saturdays. 10 a.m. is a little too early for her. She wants to suggest a different time. She types, "10 a.m. is a little early for me. How about 11 a.m.?" Mike reads the message. 11 a.m. works for him. It is a good time. He types, 11 a.m. is perfect. Let's meet at the new cafe on Main Street." Sarah replies, "Sounds good. See you then." Mike puts down his phone. He feels happy. He made a plan. He used simple English phrases. He asked if she was free. He suggested an activity, grabbing coffee. They agreed on a time. On Saturday morning, Mike wakes up. He gets dressed. He goes to the cafe on Main Street. He arrives at 10:59 a.m. He waits for Sarah. At 11 a.m., Sarah walks through the door. She sees Mike and waves. They order their coffee. They sit down and talk for hours. It was a great plan. You see, making plans is just a series of small, simple steps. It is not scary. First,
check availability. Are you free? Second, suggest an activity. Do you want to grab coffee? Third, suggest a time. How about 11 a.m.? Fourth, confirm. See you then. Mike did it, Sarah did it, and you can too.
We have done a lot of work today. You practiced listening, you practiced speaking, and you listened to a story about real American English in action. I hope you feel more confident now. I hope you feel ready to invite a friend out. Remember, English is a journey. You do not need to be perfect today. You just need to be a little bit better than yesterday. For your homework today, I want you to practice making a plan. You can do this in the comments below. In the comments, write a sentence inviting me to do something. You can say, "Do you want to grab pizza?" Or, "Are you free to study English?" I love reading your comments. It makes me so happy to see you practicing. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. It helps other students find this English podcast for beginners. And if you want more easy English lessons, please subscribe to the channel. We post new videos every week to help you speak like a native English speaker. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Thank you for studying. You are doing a great job. I will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.